Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have to confirm iOS 17 or later, iCloud keychain turned on, and your Apple ID signed in. This makes Passkeys sync. Now open the Passkeys app. You'll see a clean dashboard. Tap the plus or scan QR to begin creating a passkey for a site or app. Once done, choose a label that's easy to find and pick a device to store the key locally or in iCloud. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled if you plan to use another nearby device. Tap the service you want to register with and choose Create New Passkey. This initiates a public key exchange with the site. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode so the private key is sealed to your iPhone. After creation, give the passkey a descriptive name to find it easily later. Once saved, the passkey will autofill on supported sites. If you enabled iCloud Sync, it propagates to your other devices securely and automatically. Complete the flow by testing sign-in on the site or app. The passkey should appear as an autofill option. To manage keys, open the Passkeys app, select an entry, and choose Edit or Revoke to remove access. Make sure you keep a recovery method. Enable iCloud keychain and verify another trusted device. If sync or creation fails, sign out and back into iCloud, confirm network access, and retry biometric setup. That usually fixes permission or syncing hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.